A lot of you asked for some educational content and some hints and tricks about custom paint. So today, whilst I'm doing this full custom paint job on the Chrysler 300C Hot Wheels build, I'm going to do a little bit of a talk through of what I'm doing and the process. So far, obviously I've done all the prep and the line work and stuff like that, got it where I want it, and now what I'm doing, obviously one side is pink and one side is green, but I do have accent colours as well. So I have an emerald green to go on the green side, and I have a fuchsia to go on the pink side. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taping out all of the bits that I'm going to put the accent colours in. We're going to spray that up, give that a good amount of time to flash off, and then tape them up. And then I can start doing all the shadow and the other bits. And then what we'll do at the end is we'll put all the candy over, and then we'll be, I don't know, I'm just fucking talking waffle now, to be honest. I'm not very good at these tips and tricks, but we'll go with it. We'll go with it. So I'm going to take them out. I want to try and keep as much tape off the panel as possible, really, but it's not always possible. It's a lot easier to use masking sheet, but the masking sheet that I ordered, the Oracle 813, I ordered it Wednesday for next day delivery, and it's now, what day is it? Tuesday. Still not fucking turned up. What?
Wednesday.
No, it's Tuesday, you melon.
It's Tuesday.
Yeah, it's Tuesday, yeah.
Ignore what it is.
So, and yeah, I even called them. I called them on the Thursday to double check that it was definitely going to turn up next day. Yeah, it's in the next day delivery pile. It's not here. So that's brilliant. But we'll roll with it. We'll just have to use paper and tape. The reason I like using the Oracle 813 is because it's extremely low tack and it doesn't cause any problems with the paint or anything like that. It's not likely to pull any of the line tape off and stuff like that. And when you're using Q1, like Q1 is actually a pretty good masking tape. It's not particularly low tack, so you've got to be a little bit careful with how much you actually put on the base coat that you're going to fill in on these patches and then cover up. But it's nothing I ain't done before. If anyone can do it, your Gunslinger can do it, right? Yeah? Oh, this is a long-winded process. This is a very long-winded process which requires a lot of coffee and cigarette breaks. But I've run out of sugar. We've run out of sugar. Shit. Run out of sugar. And I'm running a bit low in the plant department. That makes it sound like I'm talking about something else. I don't do that. I'm squeaky clean. My body is riddled with caffeine. There ain't no room for nothing else. And I've run out of tape even though we'll get a new Q1. So, right. Oi. So it takes the piss. I bought a whole box of 2-inch Q1 tape, right? Specifically for this car. I've barely touched it. I'm missing three and a half rolls. Well, no, nearly three. Yeah, 3 rolls. Unbelievable. A lot of fucking seagulls in here. Never mind. We've still got enough. You do really go through tape. That's one thing. One actual bit of advice if you are doing a custom paint job. You will need a shit ton of tape because you'd have to go through it. And the annoying thing is it takes hours and hours and hours to get it on the car, and 10 minutes later after you finished you're ripping it all back off again. It's quite depressing. And then especially when it comes to custom paint, you do that about 10 times over and it's it does get a bit tedious sometimes, but the perk is you know something good's coming at the end of it. Another thing to note as well, once all this tape is on, basically you need to give the car a full body massage, because if any of it is lifted and you get overspray of the wrong colour, shadows aren't too bad, you can kind of save them, but if you get overspray of the wrong colour, you are done because you can't get candy off. If you got a mistake, that mistake is staying for good. I'll get some more paper. I am the first person in the UK debuting the Candora candy from Custom Paints. Now, Custom Paints have very kindly partnered with me on the 300c Hot Wheels build, as you may already know, as I keep talking about it. But this is the Candora, so this is the first time a pot is even going to be opened in the UK, and I'm very excited to have a look. Now, I have given this a good shake already. I'll give it another shake. But this is the first time anybody ever in the UK is ever going to see Candora Fuchsia. Oh wow, look at that colour. Definitely needs a bit of mixing up, but that is deep. That is proper deep. And then obviously I've got the emerald green as well. Shall we have a look at the emerald green? Let's have a look at the emerald green. It's an exciting day. We'll give that a good shake. Let's have a look at this bad boy. Oh, mate. Oh, wouldn't it be good if the whole side of the car was that colour? Oh, god damn it. There's so many options. Well, that's exciting stuff. Let's get this on the car. Oh. Don't really know how much I'm going to need, to be fair. Probably. I'll fill it up just in case. There we go. As it happened, it didn't make any difference having that tape on it anyway. Oh, wow, no. What is happening? I've turned into a quibbling mess. I'm so excited to try these Candora products that I've messed myself. For Christ's sake. I'm going to have to change my gloves. Fucking, it's literally everywhere. I've gushed it all over the table. Oh man, my gloves are out there. Right, I'm going to give this one another shake actually. I'll probably put the lid on first. It's happened, it's happened. I once had a pot of paint from Ponsford Paints, and they didn't put the lid on properly, and I put it on my recovery truck and it fell over. And it was only a litre tin, but it fell over. The lid came straight off because it weren't on there proper. And bearing in mind, I just spent a good 2-3 days cutting and polishing my aluminium bed. It's on my lovely recovery truck, and literally just gushed it all across it. I was not a happy bunny. Right, see if we can make this bloody work this time. I'll start on YouTube once. I don't know why it didn't work. Let's try again. Oh, she's thick. A splush. Oh my god, that is thin, isn't it? Yeah. I just thought, fucking hell, that's the same pot as the degreaser. I'm very professional here at Gunslinger Speed Shop. I definitely always check what I'm putting in my paint.
It was just, it's that you didn't want to burn, isn't it?
No, that's the thinners as well. The other one's out there. Brad stole it. Right, and now I'm going to get my... Oh, how nice is this for a paint stick from Custom Paints? If you want a really nice anodised red paint stick. Oh, mate. Isn't that pretty? It's a bit of a weird thing to get excited about over, isn't it, really? But we've been using plastic shit for ages. I hate it. They just get so messy. But this, that's a proper measuring stick, that is. That is posh.
I only need to use a little bit.
Posh. Yeah. It's quite long. I don't need that length on it, but... Oh, that's going to look purple.
I genuinely thought you were just going to dip it straight into the green then.
No. I am stupid, but I'm not that stupid.
Are you ready then?
Are you ready?